Okay.
Hello, my name is Binty. Today I am going to teach you how to make cupcake. I like to make cupcake because I can give to other people to eat. This is room temperature egg. This is butter. And this is milk. And this is sugar. And this is more flour. First, we need to use water, warm water. Okay. And put the egg inside. This is knuckle egg. This is room temperature egg. Five egg. Put the sugar inside. Use this hand mixer. You need to use this hand mixer to use yellow to white. Use mixture like this, and use this hand mixer to mix 1 minute, more 1 minute. The butter and the milk to the other bowl. Okay, and mix it like this. Mix it to like this. To 107. Start. And put the egg and sugar in the big bowl. And put the royal flour in. And mix it together. Use a little bit and use little bit to you scoop it to the bottom and up. Then you will find the raw flour in the bottom. And put a little bit in here and bottom to the top again and again. Mix it together. And again and again. The last one is to put the butter in. Put the butter. And mix it quick together. Or it will fall down. Like the flour to the bottom to the top, the bottom to the top again and again. Okay. And use the cupcake cup. I will use the ice cream scoop to put in. Okay. Oh. I will use it because the number will even. Bake in the center of the oven and do not open the oven door to check the cake until towards the end. Let the cake cool in a room without any other draft can make it iggly. Wash my hands. Okay. Put it inside the cupcake cup. Last one. The last one. The temperature isn't well, so let's wait until this is okay. Can you see it? Okay, it's done. So here, okay? Use this to pull it up. It's very hot. Okay, and put it in the cupcake. Quickly put it in. Okay. Last one, put it in. And use the glove to hold it in. And tips the scoop. Bake in the center of the oven. Do not open the oven door to check on the cake until towards the end. Let the cake cool in the room without any other draft, which can make it sit eggy. Like that. I will use like these. To eat my cupcake. Like this. Use my cup to eat. Yeah. It is very sweet and it is soft and it is very yummy and delicious.